Anyone ever told you to take a chill pill? Now you can. What's up, everyone? John Rettinger from Techno Buffalo here with an unboxing for you of the ChillPill mobile speakers. This is sent courtesy of the good folks at mygearstore.com. These will run you $40, and I'll put a link in the sidebar if you're interested in buying them. What they are mobile speakers with kind of a twist, so I'll show you what they look like in just a minute. So, ChillPill mobile speakers, compact, expandable, rechargeable, retractable cable, patent design, 6-hour playtime, balanced sound, big volume. Big volume is kind of subjective, but whatever. It's like saying it plays music. ChillPill mobile speakers, everything you need for your iPod or MP3 player. We got some info on the back. iPod, iPod Touch, PSP, work with anything I believe with a 3.5mm headset jack. Here's a little bit more information. Built-in magnetic lock to secure each speaker together and travel easily, retractable USB cable, and twist to expand each speaker for bigger bass and overall sound. Cool. Alright, let's go ahead and see what they look like. I've actually never seen these, but I've heard a lot of people talk about them. I know they've gotten some very good reviews, so I'm curious to see if they live up to the hype. Just simple tray, slides on out. What do we get in here? Looks like we get a ChillPill carrying pouch. You can call this your pill bag. Just don't tell the folks at the airport you're carrying one. There's that. Looks like there's some instructions. Never read instructions for better or worse. Here are the ChillPill, or is the ChillPill. Looks like there is a USB to mini USB. That's cool. I've never actually seen one that's just the adapter. So here are the ChillPill, or is the ChillPill again, and two speakers. Look like they are magnetic, like they said. And look at that, it pulls right out, and you can plug it right in, and it goes right back in, and gets sealed, and there's your line in. That's pretty cool. Wonder what we got. Same thing on this side. Looks like they probably how you connect them. There's your mini USB port, and there must be a mini USB port right there. Plug them right in, and you are good to go and rock your ChillPill. This uses just rechargeable mini USB, so that's handy. Take that end, plug it in, and you are good to go. I'm actually nice. They got a nice feel to them. They're kind of small. They look a little funny standing next to each other like that. But I'm going to use them for a little while, and I'll let you know what I think. It also looks like they pop open for some little extra sound if you want that, I guess, extra bass, as they'd say. Well, that's kind of neat. These things have all kinds of little secrets in them. So, for exclusive content, be sure to check me out on Twitter, twitter.com/John4Lakers. And to learn more about Techno Buffalo, check out technobuffalo.com. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.